Hi everyone, this is Dave from Geekanoids, and today I'm having a look at the new social networking site from Microsoft. Now you can find it at allthews.so.cl. Now at the moment it's invite only. I have got 3 invites left if anybody wants an invite, and it's pronounced social basically, and this is the first screen that you're presented with. Explore the best of social. So we've got different categories that we can actually explore in this grid format. It looks very nice, and before I click on one I'll just show you the other bits of the interface. Obviously we've got a home button up here, we've got a search bar just up here. We can also switch this to a post, so we can actually create a status update. And then this one here I haven't clicked on yet, but maybe I'll click on that in a minute. Top right we've got our sign-in details. We've also got notifications, which if you click on them they pop out like so, and this is very similar to Google+. And if we click away on that, we've also got a settings cogwheel here, and then back over to the left hand panel we've got explore, feed, post, profile, video parties, interests, that's what I'm supposedly interested in, various searches and tags, and then help, people who I'm following, and my followers. And you can see at the moment it keeps dropping out some of the images, not quite sure what's going on there. And then back over to the right hand side we've got video parties. Now this is really weird. I'm assuming these are sponsored videos, and if you click on one, let's do this now, it actually pops out into another screen and to the YouTube video that's associated with it and starts playing it. So let's click home again to get rid of that. While you're in these video parties, by the way, actually let's go back in. Let's just go straight back in. While you're in a video party, you can actually add a video to the list and invite friends into the party as well. So good way of maybe experiencing the same video with somebody else. Now we're back on our feed. So this is everyone appearing in this feed. It takes a little bit of a while to load at the moment, but it's presented in a really familiar way actually. It looks a lot like Google+, but maybe not quite as streamlined. And don't forget, Google+ has been out for quite a while now, so they've had time to change things up a little bit. But this is a feed of everyone's posts. Then I can sort of drill down and go into a feed of just the people I'm following. And in here I've got various posts, I can comment on them. I've got actually various things I can do. I can either make a comment, I can riff it, which is really weird. So what riff does is it actually sort of reshares the post, but with all of the various comments in place. So it does the whole, grabs the whole thing and reposts it. We've also got tag, so we can add tags to a various topic or status update. And then we've got share. But with share, we can't share it with other people that maybe are following us. We can only share it either on Facebook or via email, which I think is really strange. I know that this share feature would probably duplicate to a certain degree what Riff does, but I would have liked a simple share button to share with my followers. We've got conversations. I'm assuming I've not got any conversations in here yet, but I have. I've got something that I riffed earlier, which was this upside down Apple logo, and as you can see that's pulled that into my feed complete with the other users' comments, including one new comment since I actually reposted it. So that's quite nice that it keeps everything sort of in sync. And then we can actually hover over people's little avatars here and choose to follow them. So let's give Paul Steckler a follow because he actually sort of commented on my riff. And then we've got my posts. Now it's early days for me, I've only just started using this today, but we've got my riff up the top, and then we've got a few links that I posted out about my channels, and then we've got a photo that I searched for and liked. So that's it as far as this top section goes. We can go into post, and this allows us to type any topic into this search bar, or we can just do a simple post and put that onto your own feed. Then we've got web, so I'm not quite sure what's going to come up here, but I think this is just going to control perhaps where my post goes. I'm really unclear on how that actually works at the moment. And then we've got profile. So this is where your profile information is going to live. And for some reason it's gone to settings with nothing on the window. Very strange and not brilliant actually. So to really get into your settings you have to use the cogwheel up here, and then this brings up your profile. For some reason the profile button here throws a mental fit sometimes when you click on it. So we can change our profile. We can use a Facebook photo or another photo from a URL. You can't upload your own photo at the moment. You can choose a nickname, a brief description, and then we've got language settings just here on this drop down, and then we've got privacy settings, and then we've got notifications, and then we've got search provider. So we can change who the search provider is for social. And then back over onto this left panel we've got a help button here. So this goes into how to use social. And then we've got following, so we can click on people we're following, and that should result in a nice long list of people who I'm actually following on social, and then followers, so of which I have a sad 3 because I know nobody on social yet. But I can see here whilst I've been doing this video I've got another notification, so let's see what that does. Ryan Dawes has accepted your invite. Ryan Dawes is on social as well. Welcome Ryan. I hope you follow me, seeing as you used up one of my 5 invites. I joke. So this is social for now. Hopefully they will develop it into a useful social networking platform. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think of social in the comments below, and I will see you all in the next video.